Hi, I'm Annette Sawyer from the Museum of Science in Boston.
My name is Peter Sobel. I'm the Director of Partnerships and Market Development at Boston Museum of Science.
And I want to start by thanking the Agastya Foundation for a magical week. From the moment we entered the campus, I was inspired by the way Agastya blends science, technology, engineering, and math with the world around us, and at such scale. Agastya's reach into the community through their community centers, through their traveling programs, and through the children who come here to the campus is extraordinary and transformative. Children come here and learn how to see the world around them and inspire their own curiosity. We at the Museum of Science share this mission, to inspire children to see the world around them and to develop the next generation of problem solvers.
As part of our Sarga Samvad program, it is wonderful to have Annette and Pete from Museum of Science Boston recently in our campus. Museum of Science Boston represents one of the finest STEM interactive places that you can ever visit, and it's a long-term institution with K-12 focus. The kind of models, experiments, programs, and exhibits that they have are truly unique, and they create a lot of them themselves.
I participated in the Innovation Lab and in the science classes, and we loved the way that your teachers interacted with the students and designed the programs around project-based science. We spent some time working with the students on developing some water rocket projects.
So this is our experiment of a little bottle and a little water, and I bet a lot of pressure. All right.
And also civil engineering projects on clean water. They were very interested and excited, and we really enjoyed our experience.
This week I had an opportunity to observe master teachers and to teach alongside teachers who are able to inspire curiosity and wonder in class sizes from 40 to 90. I learned a lot this week, and I also learned that we have a shared mission.
So to have them here, come and see what we do, and in fact appreciate what we do as far more cost effective than what they do, learn from us as well as provide a lot of inputs to us. All of that was truly elevating, and this wouldn't have been possible without the Sarga Samvad funding and program format that has been put together so effectively.
I'm inspired to look forward to a future partnership where we continue to learn from each other with humility, without ego, to inspire the next generation of children in the world today.
And hope that we can build our relationship and help you experience our engineering programs and learn from you on how you can scale programs up. The amount of impact that Agastya has had across India is just incredible.
How are you going to improve? What do you got in here?
Cotton.
Maybe. Yeah, some fabric. Give it a try. Improve.
Cotton.
Ah, how will you improve that fabric? Well, you've got to improve. All engineers improve.
A truly elevating visit for Agastya and its instructors, as well as a great opportunity for Agastya to grow further in the field of hands-on learning, product-based and project-based learning.
Thank you so much for a visit of a lifetime. It's been such an honor to be here and to meet people who inspire me every day going forward. Thank you again.
Thank you.